God.
Such a hottie.
I beg to differ. You guys wanted the 400EX. We finally started ripping it. Oh, he grabbed a little bit of dirt on that one. Almost went over. What do you think, you? God damn, that thing is so nice. I personally think he's a pussy, but I mean, that's just me. Oh!
What the fuck?
Buddy. Dude, you sent it hard. This thing sounds so good. So we got the contour fired up after sitting, I don't know, all winter. And you decided to clunk it out, I guess. That nasty lopey misfire thing going on.
Got an extra big cam in her.
Oh yeah. But we gotta put some wind in that tire over here. This thing's flat. Literally on the rim. And then I'm pretty sure the other tire's held on with just hand tight lug nuts.
That's how we drove it here, kids.
Yeah. It's got the fence post hood prop, which is factory.
Fucking bitch.
But does she still rev, Steve? Light rev? She warmed up now. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna get these things aired up and then tighten those lug nuts, and then we'll rip it. Oh man, dude, don't clunk her, bud. All right, boys, we got the contour here. This thing is slightly overheated. We poured water in, but I think it has a massive coolant leak somewhere. Might as well take one good lap with her.
Alright, for sure.
See what happens. I've seen the computer wires hanging out at the bottom, so that's good.
I hit that bump so quick, dude.
I've been bump starting them lately. The battery in this thing is toasted.
Fucking dick, man.
Yeah.
This thing is ready to get scrapped.
Yep, this thing is past its prime. Like,
right in the cabbage.
we pounded it so hard.
Oh, second gear's a little hard to get into sometimes.
I can see smoke coming out of the floor.
Oh yeah, this thing is. Oh.
Did she lose a transmission? Is it flush done? Is the tranny dicked?
It's fuckered.
Oh no, boys. Well, I think we pooched it right here. I guess turn the key off the pusher in later. Oh my god, the smoke in this thing is crazy.
The radiator is cold as fuck.
Yeah, I think we blew a rat with my toasted clutch that I have in the Spectra.
The tractor.
Oh, I could do it with the tractor.
And a toe strap.
But man, she's toast, boys. Toasted.
Tune in for more 400EX videos.
Oh yeah. We're gonna rip the hell out of these rally cars later this evening. Hopefully the LHS and a Ford Taurus.
Yes.
Both, man. That LHS, I want to see that thing break the motor mounts in half.
Just like the Cavalier.
Yeah, that thing got
We didn't have
scrapped.
that on video.
All right, boys. Sparky, what do we get going today? The LHS is running?
We gotta go get Scully started first.
Steve, what do you think about this, buddy? I'm going to close the hood or leave it open? And then Scully's down there with the contour. Oh, is this thing going to get out of here, dude? Oh. Mint. Oh. Blow the motor mounts! Oh God.
Now you can pull it out a little bit. Oh, I have a belly button. No, you're good. It'll reach.
We all have belly
How wet is the stuff? How wet is the seat scuff? It's pretty wet. Who the fuck left the room?
That would have been Steve.
Oh, you bastard.
50 cents. Alright, go high idle that thing.
Go high. Yeah, the back door.
Yeah, boys, this thing has never seen anything but rally.
It might start now.
Oh! It killed the LHS, dude. Yeah. Go start it up right now. The key's on. Hurry up.
Oh, it's fucked.
It probably didn't charge enough.
Oh,
now I gotta go get the key again, dude. Hey, is there a fence post in the back?
Go get the key up.
Bring it out.
Mike, go get the key up.
I'm going.
Here, you want me to go get it?
No, definitely don't let Steve.
Ah, you buddy man.
Be careful with that hood prop.
Damn it, dude.
All right, guys, this is our foot prop for the day. Okay, and then this is. I'm gonna keep that in.
Damn it, dude.
Well, guys, so what happened here is basically
you guys to write it up.
we had the LHS started. I told him to high idle it. He doesn't listen. It killed the battery. It almost started though.
Dog Schmidt.
And then now Scully's gonna bring over the Spectra, and then he's gonna have to re-jump all of us.
No, he's gonna reach out.
Oh, that thing is mint.
A little smoke comes up and no biggie.
No big deal. Oh, shitty. Oh, she died again.
I already know.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh. Boys, I just got straight up covered in mud. Oh, man. LHS is not going to make it much longer. Whew, he is moving. Oh boy. Send it! Again! How many neutrals you got?
5.
All 5. Right now I'm driving in the Chrysler LHS with Sparky in the front seat here. We're trying to go ahead and get Klansman on the tailgate operation here. You guys can see. Scully's Scully's behind us in the accent hauling.
We're just flinging mud everywhere.
Steve's about a quarter lap ahead of us, so it's going to take us some ground. Oh, drift, a little bit drift. So we have a lot of ground to make up. Dirty.
Straight for the garbage.
And the accent's currently in limp mode with a bunch of codes. So, a bunch of like misfire O2 sensor codes that is not going to make it run, so. Oh boy. This thing's a bolt, like, straight up bolt. I think we should wait for him, dude. Let's wait on the corner for him to come back around. Oh, wait. Maneuver his dumb ass. Just fucking swipe him. What's up, dude? Scully's on fire. There's like
Scully's car's on fire.
He had to get out of the vehicle. This guy can't see in front of us. Oh boy, she's raining in. I gotta roll the window up. Oh, we pit maneuvered him hard. Scully was dying of carbon dioxide.
Yeah, dude, he's got fumes. He's opening the door.
He's opening up
The battery's on fire, he said.
Oh my.
Looking up backwards.
Oh, it's starting to rain like a mother trucker now. What? Holy, well, make sure every window's open.
Yeah, where's the smoking at?
I don't know, pull it up somewhere
It
else.
smells so goddamn bad.
Pull it up. Tranny probably fucking went.
The whole inside is filled with smoke.
Just pit maneuver him. Just hit him in the side. Come in the side and hit him.
Oh.
Little crunch. Eh. Oh yeah, keep riding. Keep going. Go, Steve.
Oh, there's Scully. He's still smoking. He was on fire. He was all nervous about it.
His car is literally on fire.
He's got grass all in the door.
It's smoking out of it.
Keep riding her.
Go the other way. I can crab stick and drift on this.
When this thing's got AC.
Oh my God, we're in style. Sweet.
Sweet, dude. AC.
I can't believe you almost rear-ended. Oh! Oh my God. Oh my God. There's
slippery,
no
dude.
steering.
It's slick.
It's no steering at all. $10 says Ski pooched it down there.
Oh, he's back early.
Oh, he did? I can't steer! This thing is sliding. Where's the accent at?
Scully is right behind Ski up his ass.
Oh, is he? Oh my God.
It's so slippery, I can't even move.
Well, my hand's falling asleep from holding the camera, dude. We went right up in there, dude. Right in the cabbage. Oh my
Yep,
God.
here we go.
It's on ice, dude. It's like steering on ice. Windshield wipers on full boards. And oh boy. Yep. Good luck steering that one. CV axles, I heard him clicking. Wait up for him once. Oh, it's just rear.
He's on fire again. The clutch is probably burning on
Dude,
it.
my nose is fucked up, man. All I smell is burning.
Yeah, that thing stinks.
Someone's switching me.
It's so
I
I
couldn't just stop.
You. Dude, I fucking ran right into him.
She dicked. She dicked.
She's totally.
Is the fucking rad?
Rad.
Where?
Look at the bottom.
Nuh-uh.
You can see green.
Fuck.
Dude, you just stop.
Fuck, we blew the rad, dude. That was a hard hit.
That was a fucking hard.
She's dicked, bud. The rad's dicked. Oh, fuck, boys.
God damn.
Front end damage. Buddy, hit the fucking LHS. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck, that thing's on fire. Dude, that was a hard fucking impact. Buddy, I got hit twice. Wow, buddy, this might be the end of the fucking Kia Spectra, buddy. The rad's blowing again. It's leaking coolant again.